Elon Musk sued by Philadelphia DA Larry Krasner over $1 million swing state voter lottery. Philadelphia District Attorney Larry Krasner has filed a lawsuit against tech billionaire Elon Musk, alleging that Musk's recent $1 million swing state voter lottery could constitute unlawful interference in the electoral process. Krasner argues that the lottery, which offers a $1 million prize to a randomly selected voter in Pennsylvania, a key swing state, could unfairly sway voter participation and potentially violate state and federal election laws. Musk's initiative, which he promoted on social media, targets voters in crucial swing states like Pennsylvania, where electoral margins can often be razor-thin. The premise of the swing state voter lottery is simple. Every voter in participating swing states who casts a ballot will be entered into a lottery with a chance to win $1 million. Musk has framed the lottery as a nonpartisan effort to encourage voter turnout, claiming it simply incentivizes more people to participate in the democratic process. However, critics, including DA Krasner, view it differently. In the complaint filed against Musk, Krasner alleges that the lottery amounts to financial inducement to vote, which could be interpreted as voter manipulation or bribery under Pennsylvania election law. Krasner further claims that by selectively incentivizing voters in swing states, Musk's actions could influence the outcome in Pennsylvania, which could affect the national election results. Krasner's lawsuit argues that the lottery incentivizes voting in a way that may violate the law, which prohibits offering money or gifts to individuals in exchange for voting. According to Krasner, Musk's lottery could distort voter turnout by encouraging individuals who might not have otherwise participated, driven solely by the potential financial reward rather than civic duty. The DA's office claims that while Musk may have good intentions, this approach opens the door to potential abuse, making voting a financial transaction rather than an impartial democratic right. Krasner's legal team has highlighted specific Pennsylvania statutes that could be applicable, as well as federal election laws that prohibit financial inducements to sway electoral outcomes. In response, Musk took to social media to defend his voter lottery, calling the lawsuit frivolous, and stating that his efforts aim to promote democratic engagement. Musk argued that his lottery does not discriminate by party affiliation and is intended to increase participation across the board, regardless of political stance. "This is about getting more people to vote, not telling them who to vote for," Musk tweeted. Musk also noted that companies and public figures frequently encourage voter turnout through events, promotions, and merchandise, pointing out that his lottery is simply a larger-scale version of those efforts. He has vowed to continue promoting voting initiatives, suggesting that he sees voter participation as an essential pillar of democracy. The case has sparked widespread debate on social media, with some applauding Musk's attempt to boost voter turnout in critical states and others raising concerns about ethics and legality. Supporters argue that efforts to increase voter turnout, particularly in low-turnout areas, should be encouraged and that Musk's idea could energize a younger demographic traditionally less likely to vote. However, opponents echo Krasner's concerns, warning that financial rewards could lead to voter coercion and could set a risky precedent for future elections. They argue that large-scale lotteries tied to voting could ultimately undermine the integrity of the election process. As the lawsuit progresses, the outcome could have significant implications for voter turnout initiatives across the country. If Krasner's case succeeds, it could restrict similar efforts by other public figures or organizations seeking to incentivize voting. However, if Musk prevails, the case may open the door for more unconventional voter turnout strategies, transforming how voter participation is encouraged in critical swing states.